students, now I am going to teach you English language of class 6, lesson number 1, the sentence. First let us know what are sentences. Sentences are the group of words that makes a complete sense. These group of words has three main characteristics. First is they give us the complete meaning. For example, we can say blue sky is the. This blue sky is the group of words. But does it make any sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. So this is not a sentence. But if we rearrange them correctly, the sentence will be the sky is blue. From this we can know that the color of the sky is blue and it is making a complete sense. So this is the sentence. The second most important characteristic of the sentence is it should have a subject and a predicate. What is subject and what a predicate? Subject is the part which refers to the person or thing about which we are speaking. In a sentence, the person or a thing about which we are speaking is known as the subject. And what is predicate? The part which tells us something about the subject is known as predicate. For example, we can take Ram is a good boy. In this sentence, we are talking about Ram, so it is a subject. And we are knowing from the sentence that Ram is a good boy. So this good boy is a predicate. The third main characteristic of a sentence is the meaning of the different sentence may be different. Based on the expression, the meaning of the sentence will be different. The expressions may be a statement, a question, a command and an exclamation. So based on different expression and thought, the sentences are divided into four main types. Let us now learn about the different types of sentences. Different meanings and thought, sentences are of different types. Now let us see the types of sentence. The first type of sentence is an assertive sentence. Such sentences gives us information and they always ends with a full stop. For example, the sun sets in the west. From this sentence, we are getting the information that the sun always sets in the west. So that's why this sentence is giving us the information. This is the type of assertive sentence. The next type of sentence is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences that ask a question. Whenever we ask a question, those sentences are known as interrogative sentences. And such sentences ends with a question mark. For example, where do you live? We are asking someone, where do you live? And this is the question and it ends with a question mark. So such sentence is an interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. These sentences are the type of sentences that expresses command, request and wish. Whenever we command someone, whenever we request to someone and whenever we wish something, such sentences are the imperative sentences. These sentences mostly ends with a full stop. We can see the example, please lend me your book. We ask someone, please lend me. We are requesting someone. So this sentence is an imperative sentence. Fourth type of sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Such sentences are those that express strong and sudden feeling. Suddenly we express a feeling. Such sentences are known as exclamatory sentence. Such as surprise, whenever we are surprised, anger or happiness. Whenever we are suddenly angry, suddenly happy, then whatever we say, such sentences are known as exclamatory sentence. And these type of sentence ends with an exclamatory mark, which is shown as this. For example, what a lovely morning it is. In this sentence, we are showing a happiness and we say, what a lovely morning it is. Whenever we write a sentence, we should keep in mind these points. Always remember, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Whenever you will start writing a sentence, the first letter should always be capital. Second, it contains a subject and a predicate. We have discussed earlier what are subject and predicate. We have discussed or not? So, whenever we start writing a sentence should always have a subject and a predicate. Third point, it should contain words in a suitable order to convey the correct sense. For a sentence to make a complete sense, it should be written in a correct order. Fourth, it should end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. We have discussed based on the meaning of the sentence whether the sentence is imperative, assertive, exclamatory or interrogative. It should always end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Identify the kind of sentences in the following. In the following sentences, we have to tell what type of sentence it is. See the first one, please let him go. In this question, what we are saying? Please. Please is a request. And request in which type of sentence it comes? It comes in an imperative sentence. Next, what a foolish man you are. We are showing anger to someone and here we have used exclamation mark. So this sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Third question, may I help you? We are asking someone, we are asking the question, may I help you? And we are using here the question mark. So this sentence is an interrogative sentence. Fourth one, he stole my books. In this sentence, we are getting information that someone has stolen my book. So in the sentence, when we get some information, that sentence is an assertive sentence. So children, I hope you understand all the 4 types of sentences. Solve the exercises that are given in